Hello everyone, today I'll be teaching you how to host an online banking from scratch with a script. So firstly, I'm going to show you the folder of the scripts. This is just the two things you need, the scripts and the database. You just need to upload the database, and this is the script you upload in the file for it to display. So I'm going to show you some features of this online banking. So we explore the admin panel first. I also keep this video very short. Make it as short as possible. Alright. This is a security check to make sure it's not a bot. And here you get access to the dashboard. So in this dashboard is going to show the total users, the total admin, total transaction, and pending transaction here. While the total number, that is the total amount, to display here. Any transaction they do will show down here. They show as pending for you to approve or decline. So over here we have the dashboard, create users. This create users gives you the chance to create any user for your sets. You have their first name, last name, username, email, gender, and so on. So you can select the currency here, any currency you choose, and note more currency can be added in the profile picture, which will display in the front end for the user. So over here we have edit balance. So okay, I'm going to show you just a few functions here. We have the generate transaction for a user. So this is if you want to actually generate a transaction history for a particular user. You select the user, the date of the transfer, when you want the starting date to be. You can start it from 19 something. You can start it from even 2019 June 13 to the end date, maybe today. Then you put generate transactions, maybe 10 or 20, 19 or anyone. You click on generate transaction, it's going to generate random transactions with different banks. So over here we have the edit user details. You select the user, then you edit any of the user details you want to edit, currency, name, and so on. And here we can change the profile of any user. You select the profile, then you change it. So we have edit balance over here. So this edit balance we have for the users here, we have 4 different balance. We have the saving balance, credit balance, investment balance, and emergency fund balance. So you can choose any balance you want to update here. And if you don't want the transaction history to show in the front end, you can leave here blank, or you can put credit transaction and update either of the balance you want to update, and click on deposit it to deposit it successfully. For instance, it has been deposited. So we are coming and refresh this page. You see for my investments, I select the user. Okay, oh sorry, for my emergency fund now I have 50. That's $50 or 50 whatever currency you choose. I can also choose to withdraw from that user. I can withdraw say $50 or 50 euro, anyone you choose. From the emergency fund, I click on debit. debit transfer is going to withdraw from that particular balance. So if I come here and refresh the page now, you will see that's automatically updated. I have nothing here in my emergency fund, so that will actually control the balances. Then you can send email. You have the feature just send email from your admin and delete any user. These are the currency that you choose. Any currency you choose will show here. These are the places the currencies are going to show. Okay. So you have, these are the ones that is recently. This is the credits. Credit transfer 50, debit transfer 50. Let's check the notification. Okay. Scrap that. Credit transfer 50. So come up here, we have wire transfer. Wire transfer, you can send money to any accounts you want. Say for instance we choose to save money, then we proceed with this. It's going to take us to a page to print receipts. We print receipt there, and it's going to update in the notification of these accounts. So we come here to transactions. We have 2 transactions already, which we did not so while ago. Then we click on statements. It's going to download these statements of these particular transactions. You get. So we have link card also. We have notifications. You can access these notifications from the dashboard, from that barely icon. And we have your profile. Your profile gives your users the ability to change their username, their first name, last name, email, and their password. And also you can print your account statements from here. Just basically here is just the users panel. So over here, each transaction we do will show in the admin as pending, and it will show in the transactions as pending here. It can also show declined or approved or pending. That's how it is. So here you enter your recipient's name, say Joe Trump. Joe. Let's see. Yaban. Then the recipient bank, you can select this bank in the amounts. We have 70 in our savings balance. In description, if any description you want to use, you can simply put it, say for bills. Then the password must be correct. If it's incorrect, it will bring you back to this particular page indicating incorrect password. So we put in the password of the account to authenticate the transfer and click on continue. It's going to say send money. You are sending money to Joe Trump. Confirm details. You have the transaction ID, bank name, IBAN, and if I click on the send money, it's going to say transaction pending. The transfer of 20 and the currency to Joe is currently pending. The transaction details on that transaction. I can choose to print receipts. He's going to print the receipt for me with the date and everything. So if I click on view transfers, that's the transactions now. It's going to show on pending with the bank and everything. Pending with the dates. Mind you, I can edit the dates. So in the admin, we come to the admin, we see it here. from savings balance, you can edit the amounts, you can edit the description, you can edit the description, you can edit the amounts. Then if we click on approved or declined, it will reverse back and say transaction failed. I click on the approved, it will go and say approved and debit from the accounts. This is currently the amounts we withdraw, and we currently have 3 total transfers in the online banking. So that's all for today. All you need to know or to have is just the banking what's it called, scripts, and your database scripts which you'll be uploading. So once you have those, I'll teach you how to upload it in your cPanel and how to purchase a cPanel and a domain name to start your online banking. Thank you.